Let's talk everyone's favorite subject, smells, and where they come from. In dental offices, there are some unique places that these smells come from. One is very obvious, and it's tooth dust. That's why we use high-speed vacuums and lots of water when we're prepping your teeth. So to minimize that smell, so you don't have to smell that. Another place that these smells come from are acrylics. Acrylics are used to make temporary crowns, as well as some of the other materials used in bonding and other restorations. The third place that a lot of the smells come from are in the cleaning supplies and the other things used to sterilize instruments or help keep the office sterile and clean. So, some of these smells are unique to dental offices. Some of these smells you can also smell at hospitals. If you ever wonder or curious why things smell a certain way, that's usually those smells. Most offices try to do things to make sure it smells welcoming and nice. If you have any questions about any of these things, feel free to ask.